welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can join CapCut PC Pro. It is the most simple thing you can ever do in this app. So just open up the app, open up a project or not, and you're going to see this Join Pro. It is actually kind of like in a different color so you guys can really see it. You're going to just press the button, then you're going to select a plan. They have like for instance, you want just 1 month, you can select this one, yearly and monthly. So for instance, I'm going to select this one and I'm just going to select purchase, and it's going to bring me to a subscription service, and I'm going to choose how I am going to pay. I don't know if it's the same account. If it's the same account on your phone, it will also show up as Pro. You're going to pay with either a credit or debit card, or you're going to use this. This is an Indonesian app where you can use to pay. So select it, then you're going to hit the purchase button, and it is as simple as that. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!